Hello dear students, today we will do review chapter 6 addition and subtraction strategies. The vocabulary: double. Two equal groups make a double fact. For example, 4 plus 4 equal 8 is the double of 5. Count on. A way to add it by counting on from the greater number, say 6. Count on 2, 7, 8. We have 6. After this, count 2 numbers after 6, 7, 8. Meaning 6 plus 2 equal 8. Count back. A way to subtract it by counting back from the greater number. For example, 5 minus 2. Count back 2, 4, 3. Means 5 minus 2 equal 3. Number line. We use number line to help us counting back. For example, this number line on 5, we say 5 minus 1, 2 jump from right to left, minus 2 equal 3, because we stop on number 3. We have count on. I count on. For example, I have 6. After this, count 2. We use this circle for counting. I say count 2, we draw 2 circles. After 6, 7, 8. Means 6 plus 2 equal 8. For this one, we have 5. 5 plus 1. We draw 1 circle because we say plus 1. 5 minus 1, 5, 6. Equal 6. We have 8 plus 1. This one is 8. This one is 9. 8 plus 1 equal 9. We have 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 plus 3 equal 10. We have 6 plus 2, 7, 8. 6 plus 2 equal 8. We have 5 plus 2, 6, 7. 5 plus 2 equal 7. We have 8 plus 1, 8, 9. 8 plus 1 equal 9. We have 7, 7. After this, count 2, 8, 9. We have 5 plus 3. We have 5. After this, count 3, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 3. We have 3. After this, count 3, 4, 5, 6. Means 3 plus 3 equal 6. I double. We have 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3 equal. When these two order are the same number, we say this is a double. Equal 6, we say 6 is a double for 3. We have 1 plus 1 equal 2. We say this 2 is a double for 1. 1, 2. We have 2 plus 2 equal 4. We say this 4 is a double for 2. I added within 10. Look at this example. We have 5 green fish. After this, 1, 2, 3 yellow fish. We say 5 plus 3 equal 8. After this, we change the order's place. This 3 from down to up, to up. This 5 from up to down. 3 plus 5 again equal 8. The number from up come to down. The number from down go to up. 5 plus 2. We have 5 plus 2 equal 7. After this, we say 2 plus 5 again, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. After this, we say 3 plus 4, 7. We have 1 plus 3, 8. After this, we say 7 plus 1, 8 again. I count back by using line number. Look at this example. I start at 4. This is 4. On the number line, I count back 1. I count, when say count back, jump from right to left. I count back 1 means 1 jump from right to left. Where am I now? We are on number 3, means 4 minus 3 equal 1. 4 minus 1 equal 3. After this, I start at 4. I start at 4 on the line number. I count back 2, means 2 jump from right to left. 1, 2. Where am I now? 4 minus 2 equal 2 because we stop on number 2. Question number 1, 2 minus 2. We start from 2. After this, 2 jump from right to left because we say minus 2. Now we are on number 0, means 2 minus 2 equals 0. 3 minus 1. We start from 3. 1 jump from right to left. We are on number 2, means 3 minus 1 equal 2. 3 minus 2. We start from 3. 2 jump from right to left. We are on number 1, means 3 minus 2 equal 1. 5 minus 2, we start from 5, 2 jump from right to left. Now we are on number 3, means 5 minus 2 equal 3. Question number 1, again count back by using line number 7 minus 3. This one is number 7. We start from 7, 3 jump from right to left. 1, 2, 3. Now we are on number 4, means 7 minus 3 equal 4. 8 minus 3. We start from 8, 3 jump from right to left. 1, 2, 3. Number 5, means 8 minus 3 equal 5. 5 minus 1, we start from 5, 1 jump from right to left. 5 minus 1 equal 4. Look at this example. There are 7 birds. 2 birds fly away. How many birds are left? At the first, you must start from 7. After this, 2 birds fly away, 2 jump from right to left. Now we are on number 5, means 7 minus 2 equal 5 birds. I relate addition and subtraction. We have this addition sentence, 7 plus 3 equal 10. After this, I say 10 minus 3 equal 7. We have 4, we say 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 equal 6, sorry. 4 plus 2 equal 6. After this, we say 6 minus 2. Take out this 2 from 6 equal 4. The difference must be the first number. 5 plus 3 equal 8. After this 8 minus 3 equal 5. This difference is the first number. 2 plus 5 equal 7. After this, take out this 5 from 7. 7 minus 5 equal 2. The difference is the first number. We have 5 plus 4 equal 9. After this, we say this 9 minus 4 must be 5. The difference is the first number in addition sentence. We say 7 plus 1 equal 8. After this, 8 minus 1 equal 7. The difference is the first number in addition sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3 equals 7. After this, 7 minus 3 equal 4. Subtraction facts families. We have 8 minus 6 equal 2. After this, we must say 8 minus 2 equal 6. Look at this example. We say I subtracted, I circled the sentences if they use the same number. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 equal 2. After this, we say 7 minus 2 equal 5. These two sentences use the same number. We draw a circle. 4 minus 3 equal 1. 3 minus 2 equal 1. These two sentences doesn't use the same number. We don't draw a circle. 5 minus 5 equals 0. After this, 5 minus 0 equal 5. These two sentences use the same number. We draw a circle. Look, 5, 5, 0. 7 minus 4 equal 3. 7 minus 3 equal 4. These two sentences use the same number. We draw a circle. We finish it. Review addition and subtraction strategy.